Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing good. So today in this video, let's see regarding some of your doubts. First question, primers exam before joining or after joining? So primers exam will be after joining only, but your learning may be before you are joining also. That is, you can get the primers module even before date of joining also. Already few people got modules and they gave 24 days of time to complete these modules, but the exam will be after joining only. And moving on, do we receive salary during the stream and primers time? Yes, you will definitely receive your salary after joining. So from the date you onboarded, your salary will be counting. So whatever you are doing, your primers or stream training, you will get your salary from the date of joining. And moving to next question. So there are no hands-on coding part in primer assessment as previously in TFA. There used to be section for hands-on coding part. So as I already discussed in my previous video, so TFA was the previous process. Now it was changed. In primers there are no coding questions, there is no coding section. You will be having 20 MCQs and the time will be 30 minutes. I am speaking about only primers here, but coming to stream training, in few streams there is coding, but mostly for SASA they won't give such streams. So yeah, finally in primers for everyone there will be no coding in exam. And coming to next question, will primers training be before date of joining or after? So firstly, primers isn't a kind of training, it is a self-paced learning. So you will get few of the modules and you have to learn them by your own. They will give few days of time and in between they will keep SME connects. So in case if you have any doubts, you can clarify them in those SME connects. So your primers learning may also be before your date of joining only. So you can get your modules before DOG also, but exam will be after onboarding. And moving on, are there any tips and tricks to cover up all the modules of primary assessment? Because I have got 11 modules and only 24 days of time to complete. Firstly, don't see that number 11 and get freed, because in those 11 modules, few modules will be small modules only, so you can complete them easily. And coming to main modules, you have 24 days of time, so you can easily complete these modules in these 24 days. And if I want to say any tips means, in those modules some of the topics are already covered in your academics, so you can just revise them once and you can move on. And for the topics which you haven't learned till now, you can try to learn them by spending more time there, but mostly many topics will be covered in your academics, so spend your time for the topics that you have not learned till now. So in this way I think you can complete them. And moving to next question, this whole process is going to happen after onboarding, right? So I already said that primers learning may be before onboarding also, but your primers assessment and stream training will be after onboarding only. So I already discussed regarding the stream trainings and assessments. I am giving link in the top, you can go and watch it in case if you haven't. And then they will give any stipend for this. So I think I already answered this. You will get your salary right from the date of joining, so there won't be any stipend, you will get your salary directly. And moving on, if we can't score 60% or above, then in second attempt we need to again give primary assessment and stream assessment, or only stream assessment. So again in retest there will be only one retest, there won't be separate primers retest and there won't be separate stream assessment retest. There will be one retest. In that retest itself there will be questions from primers also. So simply speaking, you will have one retest exam, and in that exam you will get questions from whatever you have learned, including primers. So for example, consider that you have completed your primers assessment and then you have given 2 stream assessments. So take example that you have only 2 stream assessments in your stream, so you didn't got 60%. Then in your retest exam there will be questions from all these 3 tests. I mean whatever you learned, there will be questions from all those things, and they will let you know regarding the retest pattern. And moving to next question, are primers and stream exams difficult? So in my opinion, if you learn whatever the things that are taught by them, then you can easily clear those assessments. That won't be too difficult. So the only thing that required from you was carefully listen to the trainings. And I saw many people qualifying these exams mostly in first attempt only, but few people took second attempt. So mostly I didn't saw people terminating because of not qualifying. I'm speaking as far as guys, as far as from my friend circle. So all the people qualified. So there might be few persons, but mostly you can qualify if you listen to the trainings carefully. And moving to next question, can I attempt a primary assessment in phone after completing the modules, or this primary assessment will be in the company itself? You have to attempt this primary assessment in the company itself, guys. There will be proctors throughout the test, and you have to give the test from the laptop only through the software. Company will provide you the laptop, guys, so don't worry. Already you guys know that it was physical onboarding, so you have to anyway daily go to the office, and they will also provide the laptop, and in that laptop you can attempt the primary assessment. So don't worry regarding those things, just try to understand the modules and prepare well. And moving to next question, primary assessment result will be out beforehand or after combined with stream assessments? You will get your primary result after few days of writing the test separately, so you can check whether you are eligible for 10,000 bonus or not. But finally the result will be combined with stream assessments, so finally you will get the overall result. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope I have clarified some of your doubts, and for some of you the joining date was coming, so all the best, learn well. In case if you have any doubts, join our Telegram channel or mail me, or you can ask in the comments. I am giving the links in description. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Do follow our channel for more updates.